Spectrum Business Internet not working? Let's focus on the two most common culprits, your modem and static IP configuration. First, power cycle your modem. Unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches. Next, ensure your modem firmware is up to date via the Spectrum app or website. Outdated firmware can cause sync failures. If you have a static IP, verify the settings on your router: IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers like 8.88.8. Incorrect static IP settings are a frequent cause of connectivity problems. Use ping or traceroute to test your connection. If you can't ping your gateway, double-check your modem's MAC address filtering. Remember, Spectrum's modems bridge the coaxial cable to your network, and for business plans, they often include built-in routers with firewall features. If you're using VLANs for network segmentation, misconfiguration can lead to not working errors. Spectrum supports 802.1q VLAN tagging. Ensure your modem is set to tagged mode in advanced settings and that your devices match the VLAN ID. Incorrect VLAN settings can drop packets and mimic outages. For advanced troubleshooting, access your modem's web interface, usually at 192.168.100.1. Monitor the SNR signal-to-noise ratio and power levels. Ideal SNR is 30 to 40 dB. Lower values indicate line issues. This graph shows typical SNR readings in the modem interface. As of 2025, Spectrum is increasingly using hybrid fiber coaxial HFC networks. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support. Remember that static IPs are prone to brute force attacks, so enable VPNs or firewalls for protection.